What's up everybody, Thomas DJI FPV, and today I'm here with the first time flyer with the DJI FPV. Took about 5 minutes of explaining, gave him the controller and now he's flying acro like he has done that for ages. And the point is, what I want to make is why DJI FPV is such a good drone for a beginner, like an entry model. You gotta have money, but you already have the V2 goggles, so it's an easy step going to a next drone, and it's an easy transition if you're already familiar with the Mavics or with normal drone flying. Then FPV seems too far, and the DJI FPV is a great way to bridge it. The pause button is great. As soon as you feel uncomfortable, drag the pause. And the thing is, you can land in normal mode, so you don't have, because landing is quite hard. And yeah, I'm just gonna show it. So, first reaction, Mr. Fox, DJI FPV.
Ah, I love it.
Acro mode, full crazy. Also bought my burger with it. And I want to record a small flight of mine, but I don't have enough sunlight and my ND and blah blah blah, so I gave my last pack to the new DJI FPV. My newest FPV family member. 6S power. And he didn't crash, so good thing.
Different fashion, you know? Tell me say one thing Nancy can't understand. One thing Nancy can't understand. What make them a talk about me ambition? Say what make them a talk about me ambition? Come and say some of them a ask me when me get it from. Just some of them a ask me when me get it from. I told them no no, it's from creation. I told them no no, it's from creation. Bam bam.
This is one of the best features of the DJI FPV. Hit that pause button. You can pause the violence, act like a normal drone, unlock it, and then you're free again to fly however you want. That's just a great feature. And another thing is, when you go to the normal mode, initially it will trigger also the sensors. So basically, you can come close to objects and it will bounce off. Even if you press forward, it won't go into you. I'll show you right now. And then you can just land very easy. And it's a great entry drone. Not cheap, definitely. That's a big downside. And another downside, you will break it for sure. But you still have the goggles have. So I wish this pilot a lot of fun. And for other people, if you have questions, just hit them up.